This is the only thing I keep clean, can't you tell?
Let me see. This looks clean, but if you look closely, you will see that there is quite a lot of dirt trapped under the diamond and between the claws.
Fine, how do I clean it?
First of all, you will need a bowl of lukewarm water. Then a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Mix it. Then put your engagement ring in. Let it sit for a minute. Then use a soft toothbrush to brush it all around. Remember the bottom part as well. Then use warm water to rinse it all out. Then pat it dry with a towel.
How often do I have to do that?
To keep it sparkling, you should do it at least once a week.
Do I need a special cloth?
Yes, you could use a lint-free cloth. You could do this for a quick clean on your diamond. You could use this cloth. For the gold, there is a special cloth too. I recommend this. You could use it on the gold part. There is a special polishing agent on the cloth, so it makes your gold shiny. Remember not to get these cloths wet. To purchase or more information, please contact us at hello@yangi.com.